Kuya Maki, paturo po ng Mach 5. Okay, sige. Make sure na kumuha na rin kayo ng yoyo ninyo para masabayan nyo ako, okay? Gawin natin yan sa Crush Yoyo version 2. So guys, bago na rin yung packaging natin dito sa Yoyo Master Shop. And kapag umorder kayo ng yoyo, of course, you get yoyos, bagong signature card, okay? At may kasama na yung mga extra string dito sa loob. So gawin na natin yung tutorial na yan, Mach 5. Kailangan mas malakas yung throw. Malakas na throw. And then next, gagawin natin undermount, okay? Like this. And then, gagawin natin, stay nyo lang yung throw hand nyo kung nasaan siya at i-roll over lang natin yung non-throw hand until mag-meet dito at sabay na natin ikutin yung both hands natin just like that, okay? And then drop your yo-yo and bind. One more time. Again, throw harder. So meron tayong enough spin. Do undermount. Roll your non-throw hand. And then roll over your both hands just like that. Drop. Release, and bind. That's it. So guys, make sure mag-start na kayo mag-practice. Tag nyo ako sa mga videos ninyo, okay?